Hello! It's been a while, and this is a bit of a weird video to come back with, but hey, it is what it is. C'est la vie. Okay, so what I'm doing today is making my own shampoo, which is interesting, so try that out, shall we? Been doing like this challenge, I don't know why I did that, challenge thing for better hair. My hair is thin and brittle and it falls out a lot, so there's this lovely lady called Tran doing this thing, and I'll link it in the description below because I'm not going to give you the measurements for this because it feels a bit weird considering it's a recipe that she's formulated and is now making her living off of. So I'll show you what goes into it. I'm not going to give you exact measurements though, so if you want to wing it, I suppose you're welcome to. Okay, so what we're using to make shampoo, I suppose, is, well, I don't know, let me just show you the setup down here. It's dark, but hey, we got something going on. Oh, it's a mess. Let's start with the lemon slice. A slice of lemon, some xanthan gum, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, aloe vera gel, cocoa glucoside, and some green tea. That's what we're making now. Oh, and also I have my little handy dandy marble thingy here with essential oils and stuff in it. I haven't decided what I want my hair to smell like yet, so we'll get back to that. Okay, I'm gonna kind of follow the video because I don't trust myself. All right, so my green tea is done. It's ready. That's like the first step. Just allow to cool to room temperature. Done it. Transfer room temperature green tea into a bowl. I don't have a bowl. I have this thing. Done. So now what do? I don't have my glasses. I need them. I can't read in the dark. Sift in the xanthan. I need a spoon. I got a spoon and a whisk. Sift in the xanthan gum. And whisk it until smooth. Whisk until smooth. It's not getting there. I'm gonna find the video. She uses a hand blender. I'm gonna follow suit. I would never in a million years have gotten this consistency with a whisk. Alright, let's go to next thing. What is it? Yeah, it looks kind of like that.
Add the aloe vera gel and blend it until it...
Okay, we're blending again. So the aloe vera gel. Let's go back to the blender. I didn't record myself doing that. I'm so sorry. All right, I think that's now officially step 2 complete. Let's see. Now what? Mine's very yellow.
Now it's time to add the surfactant.
The cocoa glucoside. All right. There is here in there. This is the thing that cleans your hair, apparently. And now we stir it in gently, I believe.
Pretty gently after this because it might start foaming due to...
We stir it in gently. Add the olive oil. A touch of apple cider vinegar.
And then mix it again. And now it should look like this. If your store-bought shampoo is thicker than this, then you know this is a sign that it's not a very good shampoo.
All right, the fragrance, because this smells interesting. Jasmine, lavender, neroli, or rose. Let's go with rose. I don't have anything that makes me smell like a rose, so let's do this. And I believe she wants me to add 3 drops. 1, 2, 3, 5. There's an extra drop in there. Whoops. Okay, now what? So my pH strips go too high. Their starting point is too high. It's at 5.5. And I want it to be at 4.5 to 5. I'm gonna just go with, if it doesn't change color, then it's maybe right. If it changes color even slightly, then it's too high. That's just what I gotta roll with here. Let's dip it. Touch it off. I need extra light. Oh, now it looks bad. I don't think that changed. I mean, like, if I lick this, it changes pretty immediately. Can you see that? That's where I licked it. The rest is probably at 5.5. Maybe. I don't know. It's a little difficult to tell, but I'm gonna throw some squeezy lemons in there anyways, just in case. That was maybe too much. It smells much better now. Okay, let's test it again. Dip and out. Just gonna let it sit like this for a second. That is not changing color at all, I don't believe. I think it is. Oh, hold on, it's going a bit green. Oh no. I do believe it's not changing color. Yeah. So I'm gonna assume, because these are too high. They make mistakes sometimes. I'm gonna assume it's at the right pH. And hopefully I don't lose all my hairs. Alright, so now I'm gonna just put it in my little bottle. I'm gonna have a shower. And I'm gonna try it. And I'm gonna see. So yeah, I'll see ya in a little bit. This is my shampoo. Time to shower. Hello, I'm back. And I mean, I can't give you a proper review, I suppose, like, until it's like dry. I don't feel like waiting till it's dry to let you know if it's nice. But my hair feels clean and conditioned at the same time. And it smells like roses, which is nice. So that makes me very happy. Anyways, and yes, I'm in my Winnie the Pooh onesie, because why wouldn't I be? What am I talking about? Anyways, yes, that's that. That's that for this video, is me making shampoo and it working, which is nice. And I'm excited to see the results of using this natural DIY shampoo without all of the harmful chemicals that are in store-bought ones. See? Wow, I look tired. Anyway, welcome back to me. Welcome back to you. Cooking videos will resume at some point in time. But yeah, it was nice to make a video. I haven't done this in a long time. Anyways, yeah, link for this challenge is down in the description below. Wow, I can't speak anymore. Yeah, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about it. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Let me know if you have tried it. And yeah, if you would like to support me on this channel, then please subscribe. All right, have a wonderful, wonderful day, whatever. And I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. I just woke up and I'm feeding a chicken. Update on the hair situation. My hair feels amazing. I love it. Awesome. So that's that. Bye.